I'm here fixing this tire here on this quad trailer that we use to move concrete to our jaw crusher with. I pumped it up this morning to 35 psi, and by 12 o'clock it was flat already. So, you know, I needed to do this anyways. So this stuff we got, it works amazing. TireJect. If you've not heard of this, it works miracles, because we used it to fix the tractor tire. I should have made a video about that, but that one had a half-inch hole in it, and we put some, what's that stuff you use to fix tires? That little rubber stuff. If you got a hole in a car tire, you put that rubber seal to seal it up. We put 2 of those in there, and we filled it up with the recommended amount of TireJect, and it's holding air for now 6 months or so, so it's working good. But anyways, this trailer we get a lot of use out of, and like I said, it always goes flat. So I wanted to do a little tutorial or how I do it. But first thing you do is you take out the valve stem, which I already done, and let out all the air. And this one has a lot of cracks in it, so I don't know. Anyways, what you do is you put this thing that comes in the kit. It's a little syringe, and you thread it on there. There we go. That's it. Let me set you up so you can use both hands. That should be better. Okay, so you tighten that up, and so what they say is about 10 ounces. I'm not going to make it perfect, calculate it exact, so I'm just going to, it's all this blue stuff you can see in there, but let's see here. Now, this stuff's a little expensive, pricey, but it is definitely worth it. Okay, get all that stuff out of there. Okay, so now take that off, put the valve stem back in there, and then you fill it up with air. I can get this in there. There we go. Up. This tire says it's about 35 psi. We're at 30. Okay, right about there. That's, oh goodness, what am I doing? Oh, I found the leak. It's this little, there we go. Okay, never mind. Okay, so now all you gotta do is run this around, drive it around for, I'm gonna take it on the trails, and then I won't have to fix this anymore. It should hold air for a long time. So if you guys have any questions, please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.